Say what? Abundance Network, they put them on pause, meaning people cannot use their numbers. Goodness. Hey guys, this is Karen Monasingh, and on this channel, it is dedicated in sharing with you all how ways that you can start working from home, how you can make money on the internet. And also I do product reviews, marketing tools that are the latest thing that's out there. So I did a review on Abundance Network. It's a SMS marketing tool, like a texting mobile marketing tool for business owners. And you have another, on the other side of it, you had the opportunity of making money from home. Okay, so got some news that unfortunately the provider who they signed a contract with using cell phones, they didn't like how the it was being portrayed, maybe how people were marketing it on the internet. It sounds like another MLM. And a lot of people a lot of business owners don't like the idea of MLM. They think it's a get rich thing. A lot of people think that. And, I'm here to let you know it's not a get rich. It is just how people are marketing the company or the product. So the owner, Jeff Long, made an announcement that they have paused it because the contractor, or who they signed their contract with to provide those numbers that you see going around, they don't want to have anything to do with what's being portrayed on the internet. And also, they don't like the passive compensation plan. So, when you make your first sale, you get the $100. The second sale that you make, it passes up. Your third sale, you get it. The fourth sale, it passes up. The fifth sale, you get all of it, going on and on. So I guess they didn't like it because they're thinking it's maybe a Ponzi scheme. Ooh, a lot of people stay away from those types of business. But guys, I just shared with you that Abundance Network is on pause, but please don't go out there bashing the company, all right? Jeff Long, he's trying to find ways to help marketers and help entrepreneurs. So as marketers, we understand the logistics of what's going on, but I know for people who are looking to make money online, that quick money, they're going to oh yeah, I knew it was a scam. Yeah, that's why I didn't join it. Guys, it happens. And I know that Jeff is working on an alternative. But one thing I'm going to let you know, the people who were making it, who were killing, referring people, guess what? They're not moved by what just happened, because guess what? They are multiple streams of income people. So they have the understanding, yes, it's on pause, and Jeff is working on an alternative, bigger and better, with regards to the system. So one thing that I want to share with you all, as you're marketing these different programs, these different softwares, these different marketing tools, make sure you learn how to market it right. And not necessarily the way people have been marketing this Abundance Network online. So a couple of things that you want to do. Make sure if you're marketing Abundance Network or any other tools, make sure you're giving value, okay? Yes, making money is somewhat value, but no, make sure that you're solving someone's problem, someone's marketing problem with the tool that you're promoting. So that is so key. And make sure that you're finding the right people who wants this tool. Not everyone is fit for this company. Not everyone is fit for these marketing tools. You have some people who loves to complain. I'm saying, this is my motto, not all money is good money. So if you find someone who's always complaining, I definitely don't want to enroll them on my team. So make sure you're giving value. Make sure you're solving people's problem. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel is dedicated in sharing with you all ways of making money online, because it can happen, ways to work from home. And I also do product reviews just like the one that I did on Abundance Network. So I'm giving you guys an update as to what happened, what's going on right now with Abundance Network. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell notification button so when I upload another video, you will be notified. See you all in the next video.